Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fetch the data from a remote CouchDB, okay, and through a link in through Ajax in jQuery. Okay, so basically I am using first the Postman, and through Postman I get all the data, fetch all the data from the CouchDB. And now, how you can do it inside the jQuery. So this is our today video agenda. So first of all, this is the URL path. I make a variable that is URL path, and inside the URL path, this is my URL, and this is the jQuery Ajax. And inside the Ajax, inside the URL, I pass that URL. The type is get. Inside the content type, this is the application JSON. Okay, the data type is JSON, and before send, inside the before send, this is the for the authentication. Okay, so I create a variable that is base64, and inside this one, this is the basic plus b2a, and here inside the at the place of username you pass your username. Okay, and same inside the URL, and inside the password you will pass your password whatever you set, and this is the same inside the password. And then through this set request header, basically we authorize this. Okay, and after that, whatever is written through the Ajax, I write inside my console. And this is okay. For example, if I show you the browser, so when I call this, it shows me here. You can see that it shows me the rows from the CouchDB. So hope you will understand, and this code is mentioned in video description link. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me, or you can comment inside the video comment section, or you if you want to directly message me. So inside the video description link, there is mention a question link of my website, that is nasirsoft.com. You can directly message me through my website. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.